Hello guys. Hello Prajesh, Sahib, Yuvraj.
Hi, sir.
Hello,
Good
how are you
evening.
guys?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening. Okay, all are here. There is only 9 students in the class. 98 students in the class.
Yes.
बाकी रेस्ट का है वीकेंड पे दे आर ठीक है ना प्लानिंग टू गो समवेयर एल्स
Hello, sir. Good evening.
माइट
फिर से
Guys.
लॉन्ग वीकेंड है ना सर?
या इट्स अ लॉन्ग वीकेंड ठीक है ना
हाँ,
दिस
sir.
वीकेंड लाइक द सैटरडे संडे मंडे
हाँ सर.
will be off and Tuesday को ठीक है ना many of the persons are taking off.
Oh,
Okay, in my company there are around okay like the 5 to 6 person ने apply कर दिया है for the like the Tuesday. They are planning to go okay somewhere. Now guys like
सर
how
आप भी
many
लीव पे हो क्या ट्यूसडे?
yes I'm also on leave.
ये सो 2 दिन का वहां पे कॉम्पनसेट कर दिए.
Yes. I'm going to Wagah border.
Oh,
So, nearby location to my home.
okay.
Where do you stay?
I'm staying in Delhi.
Oh,
Many
It's
of
very
the
near.
students are from South
हाँ सर, बैंगलोर.
Bangalore. Okay, Aditi, Jia, Rajesh, all are
Sir,
from
I'm
Bangalore.
No,
no,
sir.
sir. I'm from Punjab.
Sir, nearby
Punjab.
Bangalore, sir.
Punjab से तो it is really nearby.
Exactly, only 2 hour distance from my place to Bhagwan.
2 hours
Yes,
from my place. It will take around 8 hours.
exactly.
I am from
Oh.
Kerala, sir.
Kerala. It is too far.
Sir,
But the
I'm from
Kerala is very good
Rajasthan.
look. Rajasthan
Yeah.
से भी it is too far.
Sir, but I'm on stay on like Punjab border.
Punjab border. So
Yeah,
it is
like
nearby.
it's coming to Rajasthan, but like from our hometown, Rajasthan is like for 4 hours only. 4 or 3.5, like for Bathinda and Abur.
Outside.
Sir, I'm sorry to ask you, you are only going Baga border or somewhere else also? Because there are many places to watch.
Golden Temple, Wagah border, Jallianwala Bagh.
वो तो साथ साथ ही है, yes. True.
ठीक है nearby है.
Exactly.
Because we are Hindu, so जाना तो बनता है भाई हर जगह. ठीक है ना holy places है भाई.
So there is Haveli also in Amritsar.
Yeah, Haveli also. I forgot. Sorry, Haveli also.
So it is too beautiful.
Yes, I know. गया हूँ मैं कई बार गया हूँ. This is also for the weekend plan. Okay,
So
guys.
good with your planning.
So now,
Hope you will
yes.
enjoy. It's too much summer, too much hot there.
Yes.
Sir, one question to you for Tableau.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Sir, can I ask you?
Okay. Yes. Tell me. What is your question?
In Tableau, we use measure name and measure value. It's like a shortcut. It's a shortcut to get the profit, sum, and average for all the fields in one go.
There is no shortcut. Okay. What we can do it.
I mean, it's a shortcut to do this profit, average, minimum
Yes.
kind of.
Yes. That's the shortcut. Okay. So if I have this kind of a sheet, we'll open it and we'll show you. Okay. What we want, like according to the subcategory, I want, okay, like all the things. So you can drag and drop the major. So it will show you, okay, like the according to the subcategory, sum of profit, discount, aggregated minimum sales, maximum sales, average sales. It is showing you everything.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
what is it showing you? See,
So suppose if we are deleting, I means, can we bring that back also? Suppose I don't want sum of order quantity.
order
If I will,
quantity, you can remove it, na? There is an option, right click, and you can remove it.
and if I want that back again, is it
Control Z,
possible? Okay, okay, sir. That's fine. That's great.
Control Z say that you will get these things also back. Okay, guys?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, Geeta had a doubt. Okay, she's not able to attend the session, so she asked me to put forward. Sir,
Okay.
she wanted to discuss about row-wise operations in Power BI.
Row wise operation.
हाँ, sir.
Okay. Like in the Power BI, so there is a row wise operation. So we can use the if and else. It will work row wise. It will not work according to the column wise. Okay. The row wise operation is like, you know, in the Power BI. We'll go with the row wise. So I can show you. Okay, here row wise. Okay, like the sum in Power BI. You can see here we can perform the, okay, sum row by row also. So either we can use the, okay, row
Sir,
by like the sum.
Sir, I have shared her doubts on chat, sir. Just
Okay, on chat we'll check
हाँ,
it.
sir. हाँ, sir. But
This is the
here,
row wise operation, na? That means, yeah, here what kind of operation she want?
sir, how to find out the feedback score? This one and one more is?
Feedbacks.
हाँ, sir.
Okay, so like suppose that you wanted to show the feedback score. So here what are you getting? Okay, here you are getting the Q01, Q02, Q03, Q04, Q05
5. हाँ, sir.
according to the bachelor degree and MBBS. Okay,
हाँ, sir.
what I'm getting here? Here I'm also getting the feedback score.
Okay.
8.91, 9.17, 8.92. These are the feedback score. I wanted to give one condition. The row wise operation I wanted to perform. Okay, so I can use the if condition. In the if condition, I wanted to give if the feedback is, okay, greater than 8,
Okay.
then that will be good. If the feedback is below like the 8, then it will show you the error. Okay, or else it will show you the, okay, bad feedback.
Okay.
So the row wise operation we can perform it by using the
Okay.
if and else.
If and else. Okay.
Okay, the second that I can see, the sum I can perform it. I can use the like the average. I can use the median. I can use the minimum, maximum. Percentile I also can use it. Count distinct value I also can use it. And count row that I also can use it. So you
Sir,
can
all
use the
these,
group by function.
sir, all these will come under aggregated, right?
Yeah,
Aggregated.
all comes under to the aggregated minimum, maximum, okay, median, average, and percentile also. So you can use these things also under to the group by function.
Okay.
Okay, you will get the count distinct, count row, okay, minimum, maximum, and the average. You will not get the median value.
Mm-hmm.
You will get the mean value also here. Okay, you will not get the percentile. So you can perform the percentile also by using the if formula.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
हाँ, sir.
Baki rest of the thing you will get under to the new measures, or else you can do one thing. You can create the, okay, new group
Okay.
and can create this kind of like the things also. So these kind of operation that you can use it under to the group by.
Okay.
Okay,
हाँ, sir.
hope you understand.
Yes, sir. I understand. सर और एक बात, एक्चुअली एक डेटा सेट था सर, इट इज लाइक विथ रेफरेंस टू द स्टूडेंट डेटा। ओके, तो उसमें क्या है ना, थोड़ा लाइक सम पीपल दे विल बी हैविंग, दे आर एक्टिव बट स्टिल दे शो द रीजन फॉर विथड्रॉल।
Okay, can you share the data with me into the
हाँ,
chat
हाँ सर।
so I can check it? Anyone else? Yeah, Raghavendra. Okay, like Monday is holiday because like I only have the class till Friday. So today, is the last class.
Sir, my
Hope.
question,
Your question. What is your
like,
question?
why do we use, like, where we do use the multiple pie chart?
Multiple pie chart. Okay, like suppose here I have the okay a sales. Like if I go with the pie chart, I will open the blank link. Here I will import the data. Will import the data and will import the EMP sales data. Here I'm also getting the data. Like suppose I wanted to show the two things here. Okay, which I wanted to show. I wanted to show the job role wise or education wise sales. Okay, like
Yes, sir.
here, if I have the a job role wise, a sales I wanted to show into the format of a pie chart. Here also I'm also getting. Okay, and now I can detail label में I can only show the category value and the position that I wanted, and I wanted to show the legends. Okay, top right, it will show you the legends. Like here I wanted to show the sales by job role. There is one scenario that I have. I wanted
Yes.
to show the education wise, so I will click it here, education wise a sales, and will convert the two pie charts also here. There are the two pie charts also here.
Yes, sir.
Now I can show the values also, the category and the list. Now here I can fit the two graphs. Here I'm also getting the like the two graphs, but the both graph what the both graph is showing the two things, job role wise and education wise, two like the graph that I'm just showing you here. If I use the two graph into the Tableau, what they can do it, they can create the donut chart. But here we cannot use the two like the graphs also. I can convert this graph to the donut chart. What the donut chart do, here I'm also getting the like the education, here I'm also getting the sales. So according to this, that I wanted to see the details, so I can drag and drop the like the job roles also here. So according to the job role, according to the like the education, here I'm also getting the sales also. Are you getting?
Sir, one question, why did you change to pie to donut?
Pie to donut, because like the into the pie, we cannot see the things. Here it is look like too messy.
Okay.
But if I
With the
go with
proper
the pie
vision.
chart, it will look like that the middle circle is also blank. So here we can also fill the values. But with the pie chart, we cannot fill the values here. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir,
This area
correct.
is also covered, with the color. So if I go with the donut chart, so here I also can fill the values. I
Yeah,
can adjust
understood.
one
Yes,
more
sir.
graphs also here. Okay. So
Yes,
like
sir.
suppose if I have this kind of a graph, well, we cannot convert it. And now here, if I go with that, you are able to see the graph. Now
Yes, sir.
here, if I go with that, so I can adjust that kind of a graphs also here. Are you able to understand why
Yes,
I'm
sir.
using this donut chart?
Yeah,
So with
yeah,
this
yeah.
donut chart, we can set the two graphs also here. Where it is? Okay, it is here. Why it is not showing the graphs? Okay, we can right click on that and we can like the job roles also. I can show the job roles. Okay, and we can show this kind of a graphs also into this graph. Here I can show the graphs, and here I can adjust the two graphs together also. Okay, I can adjust this kind of a graphs also, and you can see the graphs. It is also showing you here. Okay, now when I click it, and you can see, I can hide it and I can show it. Done it?
Yes, sir.
It is not showing, but this time it is showing. Okay, so in the blank area we can fill the values, we can show the values also. Like suppose I wanted to show the like the total sales. How we can show the total sales? We'll go to the sales and we'll convert to card. Okay, this kind of a sales value that I wanted to show you here. So I can use the donut chart and I can adjust the values also. Does it look like good?
Pretty fine, sir.
Okay, now you can see now here we can adjust these things also.
But
See
yes, sir.
here, if I go with that, you can see that here I'm also getting the graph. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this kind of a thing that I can see. So we can adjust the two things also together. And you can see here I can adjust the graphs. So this is kind of only for the look. Now it is look pretty good
Yes,
with the
sir.
values also.
Yes.
And it is also showing you the education wise and the job role wise also that is showing you the value. How it is showing you? You can see here I'm also getting the education is marketing and the job role is sales. So that is why we are using the two pie chart to create the donut chart. And donut chart will give you that kind of a look, which can have taken a, which can hold multiple of values here. Done it?
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
thank you so much. Yes.
So,
Yes.
so like I have a doubt.
Yes.
It was I asked all before also. So like this is your dashboard. Okay, so you want to represent it in your team or like in front of your boss. So like what words would you use? Like what you do? How to represent this in very well manner?
Like suppose if I go with the like the representative manner.
Yes, sir.
I will show you some of my like the students graph. Will open the chart. So here I'm not getting the graph. I have
So
deleted.
because as I read for the business analytics, like they
Yes.
ask that you have to have strong presentation skills.
Yeah, like the like we'll show you the IPL data analysis. Okay, like the graph, dashboard using Power BI. Okay, one of my student have created the IPL car dashboard. Okay, so it will show you the performance wise. Will show you. Okay, one of my student, but I don't have the graph right now. We can show you the it is loading. Now is it showing you here? In your
Yes,
Premier League means we can add the pictures, the total number of matches, number of team players, number of like the fours,
course.
number of sixes. So you can create these things by using the card option.
Yes, sir. Yes, I
You can
understand.
add the new lines also here. Here, what is it showing you? A date wise, or year wise, the matches played by the in the stadium.
Okay.
So you can see here it is also showing you upper boundary, like lower boundary is also here. Here it is also showing you into the tree map. It is also showing you into the this things, and here you can see the winning percentage also.
Okay, start. Gotcha.
Okay, This is kind of a, here you can see the runs, the statistics for batsmen. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
The average statistics for the batsman, strike rate, the most team player.
Okay.
And here you can see the play by the country. If you have the country or state data, then you can always use the map chart. Do you know how to create the map charts also in
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so these kind of a thing that you can create it. So here you can see there is a one match, and the second that you can see the second graph. Here you also can see the glow, which I told you earlier, the glow look. Okay, and here I'm also getting the slicer. This is called the slicer. Are you getting, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is the slicer for the per year. Number of total matches, number of team played, number of fours, number of sixes. Okay, the background that you can see, the black color they are using. Background ka color you can change it. Okay, most of the like the matches played in the into the stadium, and here it is also showing you the winner count of the match IDs. Okay, here it is also showing you the match statistics, winning match. How many number graph that they are using? They are using the pie chart. Sorry, like the bar chart. They are using the tree map. They are using the like the table chart also.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Second, yes.
sorry to interrupt you. For like this in this dashboard which you shown recently,
Uh-huh.
so like there are many graphs which is included into like a one page. We can
Uh-huh.
say that. So like when we do work in Power BI, I think we can add more and more like 4 to 6 graphs, and then it becomes shorter and shorter. So like how we can make it like this creative?
Like, okay, this time we can do these things also here now. Here, okay, I'm getting the fit to page option. This is also the option that we have. Okay, we have the view option. Here we are getting the page view.
Okay.
Okay, in the page view, fit to page, fit to width. It will we can fit to width also. We can go with the actual size. There is also the actual size. You can see here. I'm also getting the number of graph that we can add it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many number of graphs that we can add? We can add multiple of graphs also, and we can create this kind of a report. And after that, we can export these kind of all graphs into the PDF format.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, and we can create these things also here. Okay, there are the number of the themes that you can use it. Browse for more themes also here. Okay, if you have the Power BI theme, how you can download the Power BI themes? Okay, that means you can download the Power BI themes also. We'll go with the the theme gallery. It will show you the like the theme galleries. You can download free of course if there any themes is also available, and then after you can create the report. First you have to download the themes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And on the themes you can create the report. Like suppose this kind of a report that I wanted to use. It's called a themed gallery. Done it. This is the theme which we can use it. And into the Power BI, I wanted to use. Okay. There are the like the Power BI free themes. Okay. Power BI free themes are download.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Into the PBIX format.
Yes, sir.
The free example that you will get it. And you can create the charts. You only have to adjust the charts also because they already have like all the things. They already setted all the things. You can use this kind of a things also. Like this kind of a graph, and you can use it also here. This kind of a thing, this kind of a thing, and now you can download the PBIX. If I download it, okay, it will ask for the login. Download the templates also. First, we have to register, and we can download the any themes. Okay, and we can use it, guys.
Okay,
So
sir.
we only can adjust our graph into this theme. they are using this kind of a thing. These are the pre-built, okay, themes, which is okay, like the shared by the companies. And you can download any themes and you can create the graphs also. The multiple of things that you can use it also. Done it?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have doubts in this? So there are so many number of websites. Like this kind of a website is also giving you so many themes. They will provide you free of cost. Okay, the production way, product key, ठीक है ना? They are creating they see. Here I'm also getting the okay. Download anyway. I'm just downloading it. You can see I can show you the PBIX theme. And I only can use it if I want. See the new Power BI theme, which I have downloaded, and I can convert the graph. I'm just telling you the way how to create your own graph or how to create the graph with the themes, because I'm not the theme creator. I only can tell you that how to create the graph, what kind of a thing that you can add into the graph, what kind of a thing that you can add into the things. Might be some error देखे ना in this दो हाथ में. Yes, it is not showing the the hawk का, ठीक है ना? Here I'm also getting the theme. You can see it will take little bit of time. Little bit of time to open the, ठीक है ना? Like the data hawk. Are you able to like see the things?
Yes, sir.
It will take little bit time to show the things also. History. See, here it is also showing you the data also and the graphs. This is called the dashboard. Here I'm not getting figure. I think so. It is not supporting the data. That is why it is not showing you. Okay, but here we have a space to create the graphs also. Okay, guys. That they have added these things also. They have adjusted the
Yes,
heights
sir.
also. See, there is an option, there is an option, there is an option, there is an option, there is an option. So we can add the graphs also here. We can add the graph. We can add the graphs also. So we have the blank space. Okay. This is for the product. Okay. Like the buy boxes and the sales. We can use. Might be they have some error in the data. So we can get the themes and we can use the themes also. Okay, guys. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We can create the graphs also. So there are so many number of themes is available here. You can download any of the themes. And the Power BI templates you will get from the many sites also. Okay. This kind of a things. This kind of a things also. You can download this. Okay. The Wonder AI. Okay. Desktop template. We'll go with the desktop template. Is also showing you some kind of okay. Might be they don't have, or else the Power BI top 6 Power BI dashboards. So you can see the examples also. You can download okay any of the okay like the files also. The sales data may you can see the sales data dashboard design. Here you can see the Power BI guides also. So you can create the graphs also here. Okay, it will show you the graph as like this also. So you can adjust all the things. Yesterday we did this thing now, guys. So we can adjust these things also as like this. Okay, here you will get the example how you can adjust these things also. So you can try these things with the themes only. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
So many of the
Uh,
examples that you will get it.
Okay.
Anyone else, guys?
Sir,
And
I
sir,
have shared the data set, sir.
Yes, you have shared the data. So you can see
and
here it is
sir, yeah,
also
from
the
yesterday, filter function is remained.
which function?
Filter function in Power
Filter
BI.
function. We'll do it also. Okay, here you can see. Okay, I think so. Oh, section. You can see this is also the sections का ठीक है ना, it is also. So we'll go with the data. I have the data. This is the student data. You have. So what do you want? SOC, students,
सर वन
feedback.
मोर एक और शेयर की थी ना सर, वो एक बार ओपन करेंगे.
The second one,
हाँ सर, the other
the
one.
plan, the sheets. The second one will
सर
also
टोटली
down.
हाँ और एक
Hmm. The first one could be I've downloaded it. The first one. First one is like this. Yes. This is also the data.
हाँ सर, बट यू गो टू द अदर वन सर.
The
हाँ,
other one.
यहाँ पे ना सर स्टेटस सर निकाल दिया.
Where is the status? This is the data.
हाँ सर, दोनों में भी है. हाँ यहाँ पे देखो सर, लाइक स्टेट कहाँ गया वो स्टेटस.
Where? Yeah,
हाँ
this is the status.
हाँ सर, status is active, but reason for withdrawal is homesick.
Homesick. Okay.
हाँ, so in many cases it is like that, like reason for withdrawal. Agar if the student is active, how can there be a reason for withdrawal? That means the data is wrong. Is it like that? Should we consider ऐसा कुछ consider करना है क्या?
नहीं. इसमें ऐसा consider नहीं करना है. We can use the if condition. Like what do you want from this data?
Sir, like अभी percentage of withdrawn cases चाहिए.
Percentage of withdrawn cases चाहिए.
हाँ.
Okay, कितना percent ठीक है ना? Like the people's is withdrawn.
Sir, I have noted down
And
that
what?
question, sir. In notebook, you check, sir. The same data.
The same question even he asked, I think.
Where is in the notebook?
Notepad you have right now.
Notepad पे.
हाँ,
Yes.
आप नोट किए थे ना सर उस दिन.
Okay. The same percentage of withdrawn cases. Okay.
हाँ, और
Like
सर ये भी सर, अगर if the student is active, how can there be a reason for withdrawal?
withdrawn cases
Uh,
in ठीक है ना Power BI.
Sir, can I give little bit on that?
Sorry.
Can I say something on that, Deepti?
Yes.
Deepti, in that report, we have to create a new column where we have to create a formula with the if else, where the student is active, then withdrawal, then
Withdrawal.
not applicable, else active, or pick from the column, something like that we have done in the class, right?
You can okay, share your screen if it is possible, Gia.
No, sir, actually it was, we have learned this in the class.
Yeah, we can learn it now. That I'm also like the searching. Is there any other alternative? If and else ke through, so we can do it. But
That's only
we
I
want
know,
to-
which sir told us in the class.
Okay. So withdrawal cases में ना from the cancers using the Power BI. I'm just searching the ठीक है नहीं any other method. What is?
Okay, sir. It's good for us to.
Okay. Here I also can suggest it. Withdrawal cases को we can show into the pie chart. There is only the one alternative that we have. Okay. Like here, if I have the data, we'll remove this data. And percentage it will show you the values. Now we'll go to the like the value. Okay, we'll insert the. This is the Excel file, na?
हाँ sir.
Which one it is? I will rename the file. 2. Okay, we'll rename the file. You can see here I have adjusted the sizes also. Okay, so we'll go with the fit to width. That is the size which I will go with the, okay, like the student data first. So I will rename it STU. Where it is? STUDENT underscore data one. And now here I can go with the STUDENT underscore data, the student data too. So I can go with the student data too. I will open it. This is also the same data which I have. Okay.
हाँ सर
And will show you the percentage of like this kind of actual data. I can go with the STUD here, the student data. Up to will import the data. It will show you look like this and will load the data without change it. The percentage of withdrawal.
हाँ
Okay,
सर हाँ
that means you want the like this kind of a withdrawal cases also. On the basis of which? On the basis of gender.
हाँ सर like we can go gender हाँ sir gender
Yes,
and
sir.
can we look
Yes, sir.
into department sir
Department I can do it also. But it
नहीं
will show
मतलब
you.
दोनों दोनों भी कर सकते क्या
It is also showing you the active and the departments also and the gender wise things also. Like the gender also. We can add it, okay, on the basis of the percentage. What do you want? The percentage. So there is one, okay, like the number that we can see. So according to the ID that we can do it. And we can show these things also. Active and withdrawal.
हाँ
Okay.
सर
With,
मगर सर
with
डेटा में some are active but there is a reason for withdrawal how can an active student have reason for withdrawal
okay. So we can, okay, we can give the if condition here. We can go with the modeling. We can give the multiple case. Okay, we can use it and we can use the if condition here. If, okay, if के अंदर if we give the, okay, like the data. In this data may, what do you want the status wise data? Na? If the status
mm-hmm.
is equal that, okay, like the withdrawal.
Mm-hmm.
WIDTH
WIT sir WITH
WITHDRAWN withdrawal.
L3
Okay, if the status is withdrawal.
hmm.
Okay, and now we'll see the data. The withdrawal is if the status is withdrawal and the second condition, the homesick.
Sir, homesick is the reason, right? Reason for withdrawal.
Why it is showing you the withdrawal ka like the status?
सर अभी देखो आप जो सेलेक्ट किए थे ना उसके नीचे देखो स्टेटस इज एक्टिव बट रीजन फॉर विथड्रॉल इज अगेन होमसिक ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है
The reason is withdrawal is
रीजन होमसिक दिखा रहा है ना सर
so we can add the regions also, na? Region here into the details. It is also showing you the region. We can show the detail label and the category and the data value. Home 6 wide. How many number of withdrawals? Okay, the data values or the category or percentage of the value. This thing we can do it. You can see
हाँ सर
this thing that we are also getting.
हाँ सर
Okay, So reason may it is also showing you the like the percentage. Okay, guys.
Sir, I'm not, it is not clear.
It is not clear.
Sir, my doubt is not yet clear. सर आप एक बार डेटा सेट ओपन करो सर.
I have opened the data now. This is the data which I have. Yes, guys. Tell me.
Sir, your screen is.
Tell me, guys.
हाँ सर, लाइक अभी जो स्टूडेंट एक्टिव है ना सर, एक्टिव करके है ना वहाँ पे, तो उसका रीजन फॉर विथड्रॉल इज होम सिक.
हाँ, एक्टिव है.
हाँ, तो उसका रीजन भी
Homesick.
देखो होम सिक दिखा रहा है. व्हेन ए स्टूडेंट इज एक्टिव, हाउ कैन ही बी, उसका रीजन कैसा बनेगा विथड्रॉल का? ही इज एक्टिव, राइट?
He
अभी
is also active.
हाँ, अभी यहाँ पे डेटा में वही है ना सर. अभी विथड्रॉन आप जो हाईलाइट किए थे, विथड्रॉन है तो ओके, द स्टूडेंट हैज विथड्रॉन एंड बिकॉज ही इज होम सिक. मगर
हाँ,
एक्टिव जो है, हाउ कैन देयर बी अ रीजन फॉर विथड्रॉल? वो एक्टिव है ना, अभी पढ़ रहा है ना.
वो तो पढ़ रहा है फिर. हाँ, इसके अंदर तो
हाँ, तो वहां पे लाइक हाउ कैन वी डिफरेंशिएट सर?
differentiate के लिए the reason is homesick and active maybe he is also homesick. Means ठीक है ना, he is active, he is also learning and he withdrawal due to like the homesick. Homesick में
नहीं,
Sir,
आइडेंटिफाई डिफरेंट है ना सर.
another reason is also their expensive.
expense.
Yes, sir,
हाँ,
in
एक्सपेंसिव.
expensive, sir, this one.
Expenditure है वो dear.
नहीं
We
नहीं,
call the
Reason only,
expenditure.
in reason only, sir.
इन रीजन में एक्टिव
हाँ.
भी दिखा रहा है, फिर स्टेटस इज एक्टिव, द रीजन फॉर विथड्रॉल इज अगेन एक्सपेंसिव.
हाँ.
जो भी बच्चे एक्टिव है, दे विल नॉट हैव एनी रीजन फॉर विथड्रॉल, राइट? तो ये रीजन क्या होता है? व्हाट इज दिस कनेक्शन? वो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर.
ओके, रीजन ऐसा एक्चुअली ना, ये पर्सन एक्टिव है, ठीक है,
ओके.
बट ये एक्टिव है लेकिन ठीक है ना, देयर आर सम काइंड ऑफ अ रीजन बिहाइंड ऑफ दैट. इस पर्सन में होम सिक्स दे रखा है, तो गो विद दिस समरी. होम सिक्स ऐसे कर रहा होगा, दैट मींस एक्टिव है लेकिन होम सिक्स है, अभी वो घर पे है. एक्टिव है लेकिन उसके लिए ठीक है ना, द थिंग्स इज एक्सपेंसिव. ओके, द कोर्स फीस ठीक है ना, एक्सपेंसिव. ही इज ठीक है ना, like
ओके.
paying the amount, and now he is not able to withdraw the things. Withdrawn may he is also giving the home six. Active may it is also giving you the expensive home six. Okay, it is also showing you the same things which I have. Why is showing you the actives? Here we have to observe the things.
So,
Yes.
so I think there is like something in the data which is issue. Like there is an error, yes, sir. Because
We'll do it. We'll ask these things also here.
because when I try to solve this data, like do the dashboarding, I also go through like many site dashboard, ChatGPT. There I found out nothing. Like for the answer, I go on to many sites, but I found out nothing because this is a data
We'll
error.
try to find it.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the reason for WIHT? the reason for the withdrawn. The data you provided primarily indicate home 6. However, one record with Lewis methods showing the withdrawals as expensive. So majorly the withdrawn with due to home sickness. Expect for one case where the reason was financially expensive. We only can understand this 6 also.
सर एक बार what is the reason? हाँ नहीं active भी है और some cases it is active but they show academically unprepared.
Academically unprepared.
हाँ वो डेटा
Okay.
मैंने देखो सर.
What is ठीक है ना all the या फिर मैं कर सकता हूँ describe all the columns and values. We'll check it. Describe. If not able to understand. What is the reason to WITHD withdraw? We'll remove this and now here it will show you the now it is also showing you okay based on the data the provided the reason to withdrawal among the student we categorize as the follow home six sick के अंदर the majority of the student who withdrawal okay city home six as the reason they indicate that these students likely experience significant challenges adapting to being away from the home, leading to their decision to withdraw. Expensive may a few students mentioned expensive as the reason suggested that the cost of the education, including fees and other charges, was the major factor okay in their decision to leave. And academically unprepared, some student withdrawal because they felt academically unprepared okay means they are belong to non-technical background or they are belong to some other backgrounds also. Like suppose one student is from the okay like the film line and they wanted to do the courses, the data science courses, so they are academically unprepared because they don't know that how to use the Python, how to use the SQL, these kind of a thing okay because they are struggling with the academic demands of their program. They are not able to understand these things okay. Here I'm also only observing these things, the reason for the withdrawal. Okay, Aditi,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it is also giving you the same output. The
Yes,
home
sir.
six, ठीक है ना? It is also showing you here. It is also showing you the reason for the withdrawal का ठीक है ना? We will get the reason. The status, he is also withdrawn and the reason is homesick. Means ठीक है ना? He is ठीक है ना? He is not active. But here ठीक है ना? We can go with the active homesick. Okay, homesick means that the person is active but he is not feeling well. He is active but the fees is too expensive, so he is ठीक है ना? He is still active means he is also okay like doing the course, but ठीक है ना? He is giving the feedback that the course fees is too expensive. And the withdrawal may ठीक है ना? It is also like the homesick, like he is not feeling well. Active may he is also active but he is homesick. And here the active peoples are saying the course is very expensive. And now here the ठीक है ना? The candidate is active but they are unprepared okay academically they are unprepared means they are belong to ठीक है ना? Different background. Like I give you the real example. One of my student okay is belong to like the hospitality industries. He was a chef and he wanted to do the data science course. After 6 months, he realized he is not good for data science. So he like he withdrawal the like the things also. Okay. Yes. He-
सर
Sorry. Yes.
सर ये और एक ये टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस क्या होता है सर?
Okay. Time series analysis also here into the Power BI. According to this, that we need a date data. Okay. The timely that we can analyze the data. Like here, if I go with the time series, time series, it is also a part of machine learning. Okay.
Okay.
Using Power BI. But here we can analyze these things also by using the Power BI. So Power BI may that we can use the time series forecasting. Time series means that according to the time we can analyze the data. Okay. And we can see the futures also according to this things also. So first, we will go with the line chart. It is also working with the line chart. It will not work with the bar chart. It will not work with the pie chart. It will not work with the funnel chart, any of the chart. The good chart for the time series analysis is only the line chart.
Okay.
Okay. Now, here, if you have the data, so you will get this kind of a values. Okay. So here you can see the values according to the x-axis and y-axis pay, and you can go with the like the future things also. So I will create these things here. We'll remove this graph and we'll create the time series analysis also. So I will remove it. We'll take the previous data because in this data we don't have the date values. Do you have? You only have the year value. It is only showing you the year value. Yes, guys.
हाँ sir.
It is not a good data to create the time series. We want the like the complete date value. So I will import the EMP sales wala data because in the EMP sales data we have the dates value.
Okay.
All else we can go with the
Global superstore data.
global superstore data. It's also have the date value. So we'll go with the global superstore data. Already all have this data.
Yes.
With you guys.
Yes, sir. Yes,
We
sir.
can go with the global superstore data. Here I'm also getting the time wise data. Yes.
So, like the time series forecasting, we can say it like the trends in
Yeah,
the
the
data,
trend,
or
future
in
trends
the
also, the
future.
current trends also. We can see these things.
Okay, so sir, like why is it come into like machine learning? Machine learning is like a different thing now.
Now, machine learning may, like suppose, if we are using the machine learning, work with the present, past and future. The past ke data ko we can analyze by using the machine learning. The present may, what we can see that what is the things is available in the data, we can see it. And the future, we can predict the future by using the machine learning also. So in the machine learning, if we go with the
So
future,
like
yes,
okay.
tell me.
Okay, so like in machine learning, we are having supervised, unsupervised, and then PCA.
Yes,
That kind of things, na?
that kind of a thing only work with the present and past.
Okay, understood.
But if you wanted to go with the future, I wanted to see the future. Like this year, last year, my sales was 5 crore. This year, my sales is around 10 crore. Next year, what will be my sales? So I will go with the time series.
Go with the time series.
Time series will work with the future. That is also the part of machine learning. Got it? Present, past, and future. The same thing that we can use it also here. So we have the like the date values. Like suppose this is the date value, order date. We can pick it also here. We are also getting, and how we can change it. We can right click and we can see the values as like this. Here I'm also getting.
Yes,
And what I wanted to observe, the sales. Here I'm also getting the sales.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can select the line chart. This is the line chart, which is also showing you here.
Okay.
Okay. There are so much of the like the sales values, which is here in the data. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir, but
Okay.
Yes,
Like
sir.
here I'm also getting the future analysis. Okay. The maximum line that I wanted to see. Add the lines also here. We can add the maximum lines as according to the, okay, like the serial wise. So it is also showing you the lines also here. Are you getting the data label that you can see? Here I'm also getting the lines. Are you getting?
okay.
Yes, sir.
According
So,
to the data, it is showing you the minimum. Yes, tell me.
so like from this data, like from this
Huh?
graph, like we can't understand anything, like what is going on. Okay. Like it's
We,
so congested, we can say that.
we can
So
we can we can do this thing. I will go with the EMP sales. EMP sales may we have less data
no,
because
sir. No, I don't want to say that. But like in the globally super date, you have to like remove the date and then month and then quarter and
month
then
and the date and the quarter.
like the data is containing date also. Now you don't like,
See, here I'm also getting the data.
yes, sir.
And what do we want it to remove? Well done. Again, I will do the sticks also. The date. Here I'm also getting the order date. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Here I'm also getting the sales.
Yeah.
Do you want that I wanted to remove the quarter?
Yes, sir. And day and quarter.
Day I can remove it. The quarter I also can remove it. You can remove it as like this also.
Yeah.
Now here you will right click and you will get the order date. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Click on that order date. It will show you the date wise values. Done it? You
Yes.
can convert these things also as a line chart. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
But the graph is too messy. So what
Yes.
I can do it, I will go with the filters. I will filter out the data according to the date. According to the date,
Mhm.
okay, the advanced filtering में I can go with the like the basic filtering के अंदर ना, ठीक है ना, we can go with the a date value. Like suppose, ठीक है ना, I want to show the value 12. The date hierarchy में it will show you the date values. Now it is showing you into this format.
Yes, sir.
Are all are getting?
Yes, sir.
It is not messy.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so we can go with the filter. Here it is showing you the month wise sales. Okay, so it is showing you the month wise sales also. Now here what we want, okay, we wanted to go with the, okay, like the forecasting. So here I'm also getting the future analysis. Future analysis के लिए suppose I wanted to show the minimum line. Add the minimum lines also here. It will show you the minimum values, the minimum sales values. Are you getting? You wanted to show the lines. So lines ka you wanted to give the color. Any of the color that you can give it. You can give the color also here. The transparency level ko you can decrease it. It is showing you, and the line ka style that you can go with the solid. It will show you the solid line. Position in front, you can go with the behind. The behind of this data that it is showing you the sum of sales ka minimum sales. You're also getting, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go with the next things. We'll go with the like the maximum line. maximum line, the maximum sales ko I wanted to see in this data. So how we can see? So we can add one new lines also here. We can change the lines. That should go solid में, and we'll convert to line to the this thing. And I can add the like the data label. It will show you the maximum value and data labels की values को you can align into the right hand side. It will show you the values here, and you can go with the display in it none. Then the data style values, the name or the date values, whatever the value that you wanted to show, you can show it also. It is also showing you here. Done it?
Yes,
The
sir.
minimum line ko bhi you can add also. You can add the data labels and it will show you the values also here. You can give the alignment to right. The right alignment is also better. The minimum, what is the minimum sales that we have? We can observe here. What is the minimum sales that in 2010? What is the minimum sales in 2009? So 2009 maybe we don't have the minimum sales. But in the 2010 maybe we have the minimum sales is 35 lakh 49,680. In 2011 maybe we have the 34 like the lakh. And in the like the 2012 maybe we are also getting the sales. So here I'm also getting the values. So it is also showing you the minimum sales in all our years. We can go with the average line. So we can add the average lines also here. You can see the average sales. We can see it also here. We can show the value. We can give the dashes also the solid. And now that we can give the color. It is also showing you minimum, maximum, and the average. You can show the values. Okay. Here you can go with the lines also. Okay, like the detail label may you can set the position to right side. So it is showing you the minimum sales. What is the minimum sales? Okay, overall all the sales. We can go with the maximum sales. We can go with the average sales also. So all the things which I am getting here. Done it now. Yes.
Can you show me the sales number once again, like from 2009?
2009 say.
Yeah.
So it is showing you the 2009 ka sales.
Okay.
Okay. Now it is showing you the 2010 ka sales. It is showing you the 2011 ka sales. It is showing you the 2012 ka sales.
Okay. And so now from like this graph, what do you forecast? Like how we do
Forecast.
kind of forecast?
I'm not forecasting here. I'm just creating the like the forecasting ke liye data.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I'm just observing by like the overall मेरे पास में 4 year का data है. 2009, 10, 11, 12.
Okay.
मिनिमम सेल्स मेरे को क्या मिली इस 4 साल में?
2011.
मैक्सिमम सेल्स क्या मिली मेरे को इस 4 साल में? एवरेज सेल्स मेरे को क्या मिली इस 4 साल में? If we have these things, so we can create the things also here. So we can go with the forecasting. Forecasting में it will observe the data. देखिएगा मेरे पास में 2009 से डेटा था, 2010 का डेटा था, 2011 का डेटा था, 2012 का डेटा था. इसने 2014 के अकॉर्डिंगली बना दिया कि मेरे को इन फ्यूचर कितनी सेल्स मिलने वाली है. ओके, लाइक दी कितनी सेल्स मेरे को मिलने वाली है आगे जाके 2016 में, 18 में, 20 में. ओके, और 2022 का से फोरकास्टिंग करके मुझे बता दो. क्लियर है गाइस?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how they are
Okay.
observing these things like the from the previous data. उसने देखा कि भाई मिनिमम सेल्स मेरे को किस बेसिस पे मिली है, मैक्सिमम सेल्स मेरे को कब मिली है, एवरेज सेल्स मेरे को कब मिली है. अब ये अंडरस्टैंड कर गया कि मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम और एवरेज सेल्स के बेसिस पर मैं डेटा का फोरकास्टिंग करता हूं कि भाई इन फ्यूचर उसको कितनी कितनी सेल्स मिल सकती है. ओके, तो आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे 2013 में उसको कम सेल्स मिलेगी, लेकिन 2014 में उसको ज्यादा सेल्स मिलेगी, 2015 में भी उसको इतनी सेल्स मिलेगी, 2016 में थोड़ी सी सेल्स अप होगी, 2017 में थोड़ी सी अप होगी, ज्यादा नहीं होगी. अपर बाउंड्री जितनी होगी, लोअर बाउंड्री जितनी होगी. तो मिनिमम लोअर बाउंड्रीज पे इतनी सेल्स उसकी होनी मैंडेटरी है, और अपर बाउंड्री मतलब मैक्सिमम वो 49 लाख तक जा सकता है.
Okay.
Done it?
Okay, sir.
Forecasting means the future को that we are getting. So we can add the percentile, ठीक है ना, lines also here. It will show you the percentage values. The data label में it will show you the percentage values भी कितनी परसेंट पे आपके लोगों की सेल्स हो सकती है. So we can add it also here and we can give the color, okay, black. It is also showing you the color values. तो यहाँ पर इतने नंबर ऑफ परसेंटेज वैल्यूज है. Forecast to the upper boundaries. Done it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो फोरकास्टिंग में क्या कर रहा है कि खुद ही डेटा को ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है, खुद ही मुझे चीजें बता रहा है. फोरकास्टिंग के अंदर दैट यू कैन ऐड द पॉइंट्स आल्सो, द ईयर वाइज दैट यू वांटेड टू ऑब्जर्व द थिंग्स, ओके, लाइक द क्वार्टर वाइज दैट यू वांटेड टू ऑब्जर्व, इट विल, ठीक है ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉइंट्स इट विल ऑब्जर्व. ओके, द फोरकास्ट लेंथ देयर इज ओनली द 10, दैट इफ वी गो विद द 12 then it will go with the, ठीक है ना, ignore the last, and the confidence interval, it is the 99% surety that I want. So here I can add the 99% surety, and if I apply it, so it will give you the 99% आपका डेटा जो एक्यूरेट ऐसी सेल्स देगा. अगर आप लोग यहाँ पर कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल को 95 करेंगे तो दैट मीन्स द 95% दैट यू आर श्योर. ओके, यू कैन गो विद द फोरकास्ट लेंथ, मैंने 14 कर दिया और कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को मैंने 99 कर दिया, तो इट विल शो यू दी दिस काइंड ऑफ अ वैल्यू. सी 2025 तक का डेटा दे दिया इसने फ्यूचर में, और मैंने इसको कम कर दिया, भाई मेरे को सिर्फ 5 ईयर का ही डेटा चाहिए, तो आई कैन ऐड दी 5 ऑल्सो. ओके, द कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल में 5 मैं दे दूंगा, तो ये सिर्फ मेरे को 5 ईयर का ही डेटा देगा, नेक्स्ट 5 ईयर की सेल्स मेरे को निकाल कर देगा.
Okay, sir. Understood.
अंडरस्टैंड गाइस?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एनीवन?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना, हैव द डाउट्स आल्सो इन दिस. आप इसमें कलर वगैरह चेंजेस कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है. द ऑप्शंस दैट यू कैन चूज इट, द फोरकास्ट लाइन दैट यू कैन आल्सो चेंज इट. ओके, द लाइक द कॉन्फिडेंस लाइन, द कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल की लाइन दैट यू आल्सो कैन सी. ओके, द कलर दैट यू कैन गिव इट, द ट्रांसपेरेंसी लेवल को यू कैन इंक्रीज इट, and the line will be solid, and you can increase the, okay, like the pixels also. So it is also showing you the confidence interval.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is also showing you the confidence interval, and the confidence ka shape that you can change it, you can give the colors also, any of the color that you can give it. Done it? ठीक है ना, like the transparency level को that you can decrease. Done it?
Yes, sir.
You can give any other color also, whatever the thing that you wanted to show. Done?
Yes.
And now the tooltip title also, the forecast one. आप इसका नाम भी दे सकते हो, the forecast one. Okay, you can change it also. Anything else, guys?
Yes.
Forecasting.
सर फोरकास्टिंग, ओके सर, ये रिलेशंस का क्या क्या है सर? लाइक हाँ, अभी जो हम डेटा मॉडलिंग में करते हैं ना, तो रिलेशंस रहते हैं ना सर, लाइक वन टू मैनी, मैनी टू वन. सर एक्चुअली बाय डिफॉल्ट इसमें कुछ रिलेशंस बाय डिफॉल्ट आ जाएंगे क्या, लाइक व्हेन वी लोड द डेटा?
ये अपने
तो
आप दे देगा. 1 to 1 का रिलेशनशिप होता है.
हाँ,
One data with related with the another data.
मतलब कॉलम्स में, जो
हाँ,
कॉलम्स.
कॉलम्स में. इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए we can go with the SQL. क्या ना, SQL 1 to 1 relationships. Okay, the relationships in the SQL. तो ये यहाँ से, ठीक है ना, इसने ऑब्जर्व किया 1 to 1, 1 to many, और many to many, and many to 1.
ओके.
Okay, these kind of a relationship. So we have to understand the SQL for that. Like this is for the joining thing.
सर टैब्लू में
Okay.
यूज नहीं करेंगे क्या हम?
The Tableau में we can use the normal joining. It's have the normal join. Like suppose if we have the two data, we'll show you. We'll open it.
सर डेटा
Like
में
if we
नहीं
have the
सर.
orders data.
सर मेरे को कॉलम्स में बताओ ना सर.
Hmm?
एक नाउ इन दिस डेटा 2 कॉलम्स लेके बताओ ना कैसा करना है.
Sure. We'll tell you. तो यहाँ पर मेरे पास में ऑर्डर्स का डेटा है, एंड यहाँ पर मेरे पास में रिटर्न्स का डेटा है.
ओके.
Done it? अब इन दोनों को मैंने ज्वाइन किया. फर्स्ट आई विल सी द डेटा. Here I'm also getting the orders data. Are you getting? And here I'm also getting the return data. So what is the common thing in between that? Order ID.
Okay.
Order ID. Here I'm also getting the order ID, but here I'm not getting the status.
Okay.
You can see in my data we don't have the status.
Yes.
Done it? So means how we can join the two datas? By using the order ID.
Okay.
Same column.
Okay. So if I go with the Tableau, here I'm also getting the joins. On the basis of the order ID, on the basis of this return order ID, to join the data. So here I'm using the inner join. Inner join means the common values between the two data. If I go with the left, so it will put the left data first, then according to the right data, it will adjust it. We will go with the right join. It will put the right data first, then according to the left data, it will join. And it will go, if we go with the full join, so according to the like the left or right data, it will fit the data. And if it will use the inner join also, okay, like the common data, it will fit it. Done it? We can go with the columns. Like suppose if I wanted to go with the order date, and here we can see in this column we don't have the order date in this table.
Okay.
So we only can see these things only also with the order ID. On the basis of the order ID, we can join it. Okay. Any of the join we can use it. But on the basis of the product, we cannot join the two tables. It will give you an error.
So one common field should be there.
Yeah, one common field should be there in between the both table. Then we can join.
Okay.
Done it?
Okay.
The same thing that we can use it here into the Power BI. One common field we want, okay, from this data. So how we can do these things? We'll go with the, okay, like the get data mein. I can import the Excel file again. And this time I wanted to import the return data. And we'll do the same things also here. The return mein, we can load the return data also here. So you can see here I'm also getting the orders ka data, and here I'm also getting the return wala. And you can see here I'm also getting the order data, here I'm also getting the return data. The same thing that we can do it. We can join the two data. Here I'm also getting the order data, here I'm also getting the return data. So what are the two common fields also here?
Order ID.
Order ID. So we can drag and drop the order ID to the order ID. It will give you the relationship. That means you wanted to connect this data, okay, like the with many of the tables. Okay, like this is the data, orders ka data. I wanted to connect with the one table or any other table that you have, the many tables. Then you can go with the many to many. Okay, but if here I'm also getting the one table here, and here I'm also getting the one table, that it will go with the one to one. But it is also showing you the column ID in the order table contains the duplicate values. That is why this kind of a one to one, it is not allowed. One to one कब हम लोग अलाई कर सकते हैं जब we don't have the duplicate value. So we can go with the many to one. Many to one ka relationship we can apply. Okay, and it will check the both table.
Okay.
Both data. If we go with a single, so it will only check the one table. But if we go with the both, that means it will check the two tables also here.
Okay.
So it is also checking the data, like what are the common data, what are the common data in this data. And if we go with the save, it will show you the relationship between that. So here you can see, here I'm also getting the a relationship. You can see here it is also showing you the column relationship.
Okay.
Okay, order days and the order ID. Orders के अंदर ना table orders के अंदर order ID को we are taking, and in the returns के अंदर we are also taking the order ID. Done it? And both way it will show you. ठीक है ना? Apply the secure filter in the both direction. It will give you. And now here, if you use, okay, like the one data. Here I can show you. Here, if you wanted to show the, okay, like the provinces. Here it is also showing you the provinces. Provinces, I will not take the provinces because it will show you the graph value. I can take the region. It will show you the region. Okay, I wanted to see the sales. Here I'm also getting the sales. And here in this data, I have applied the joins. Where I have applied into the model view, I have applied the joins now. So I can use the this order table and the return table in one graph. So I can go with the status. So here I will select it and I will go with the status. It will show you the status also. This is the benefit of the joins. Means the both table K column we can use into the single graph.
Okay.
Done it?
Yes.
And it will show you the relationships also with that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope you're able to understand.
Yes, sir. And so
Any other doubt?
how to use filter?
Sorry.
Filter. Just like these filter.
Like the it filter out the data na, automatically. You don't need to use the filters also here.
No,
If you
sir.
want that, you can add the slicer.
I'm asking about the filter function. Like in the Power BI filter
Okay,
function.
okay. The filter function.
Yeah.
Okay, like we'll go with the filter functions also. We'll go with that. Okay. The filter function. Okay, we'll go with this filter function. No, not here. We'll go with this. Okay. Like the filter function. So filter function will filter out the data on the basis of the a requirement. So we'll open it and we'll show you the filter function. Now here I wanted to filter the data. Okay. The filter के अंदर suppose I wanted to filter out the data on the basis of the like the project के basis पर. Like suppose if we have the regions also here. So what I can do it, guys, filter the first example. I will go with the filter function. So here I will go with the, okay, like this is called the this is called the filter first example. Here I will go with that. I will go with the table expression calculate table area sub function on the subset that workflow. I will go with the filter function here. So I will go with the modeling, and now here I will go with the new column में. Okay, here I can use the filter is equal that I can use the filter functions. Filter functions I wanted to apply with the orders data. In the orders data में which column को I wanted to filter. Okay, like suppose I wanted to filter the region का data. Okay, and in the region, what kind of a region that you want? Okay, what kind of a region that you want? That you wanted to filter out the data, comma, regions. We can go with the region is equal that we can give the
Atlantic.
regions. Sorry,
Atlantic.
Atlantic may we can give the Atlantics also. We can give the is equal that ATLANTIC Atlantic. We can go with that. And the region wise multiple column cannot be converted to this. Why it is not giving the output also? Dim product may that it will want at the columns. Filter may we can add the filters. Okay. This is all the dim product. Okay, and here we want the order data. Order data may I can select the region, and the region may I can do it. I can get the order. I can get the REGI region is equal that Atlantic. Why it is giving me the error? Is it not like that?
So you put order region 3 times, like you one
No,
was
no,
extra.
We'll do it. I think so. That here I'm also making the mistake. We'll go with a new table. This is the new table function. Again, it is showing you the orders name. Why it is giving the new column, new tables? It's giving me the filter my options. Filter the data on the basis of the requirement. It's giving me the data, the filter option. Filter के लिए I will select and search it. I will select it. Why I'm making a mistake? So to check it. It will give you the like kind of like yeah, this is kind of a filter. Power BI. The reason why that you can filter out the data, same thing that which I'm using here. Okay, filter table के अंदर ही ठीक है ना, we can create it. We cannot create this kind of a like the things. We can go with the new table. ठीक है ना, earlier I was doing the same things also. That here I also can create the filter data. You can see here I have created the filter table.
Yes, so like for filter, we have to use new table.
Okay, the filter के basis पर it will create the new. इसमें सिर्फ ठीक है ना, you will get the Atlantic data.
Yes.
Okay, it will create the new filter. Okay, filtered table.
Okay, sir.
सर ये जो विजुअल पे आई मीन स्क्रीन पे है फिल्टर्स ऑन दिस पेज, फिल्टर्स आर ऑल पेज, वो कहाँ पे यूज करना है सर?
Okay, we'll show you. Like here suppose I have the like the region. Okay, region wise I wanted to show the sale. Are you getting?
Yes sir.
Okay, now मैं इसको थोड़ा सा ना like the size increase कर देता हूँ. Will increase the size. Okay, the values the sizes that I have increased it, and now the values we have increased the sizes. We are getting the value sizes. Up suppose by here I'm also getting the filter. The filter में here I'm also getting the region. Like suppose I don't want it to see all the regions. I wanted to see the Atlantic, Oriento, okay, like the Paris and the Quebec. This kind of a country I wanted to see.
Okay.
Are you understanding?
Yes sir.
Now here suppose I don't want it to see the sales, okay, the entire sales. I wanted to see the sales is greater than 30 lakhs or like the 20 lakh 2000, okay, like the 20,000, 2 lakh and 20 lakh, and apply filter. It will show you the greater than 20 lakh filter. Okay.
Okay sir.
Any other filter that you wanted to add, so click on the add filter, okay, and filter on this page. You can add it also. Done it? Filter
Yes,
on this
sir.
page. Like suppose I wanted to add one more filter on the basis of the any of the thing that we can take it. Like suppose I wanted to take the ship mode wise filter. तो filter on this page. I want the ठीक है ना like the express delivery wise sales. It is not showing delivery ठीक है ना truck wise regular air wise. So it is showing the regular air delivery truck. Okay, like the express it is also not showing. And it will show you the all the things of the value. So we can add the filter. We wanted to remove the filter, so we can click on that. We can remove it. According to the provinces, I wanted to filter on this page. So we can add the provinces also here. And we can filter out the data. Like suppose I want to see the Manitoba, British, GABA. Okay, so we can add the filters also. Correct? Now, you wanted to apply the filter on all pages. Then you can add the provinces wala. Okay, and you can apply the filter on all pages. जितने भी number of pages है, you can apply the filters also. You can remove it. This thing is also clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
Okay. So you can apply the filters also. You wanted to remove, you can clear the filter. It will show you all the values. The first filter which I have removed, you can remove the second filter. It will show you all the values. Okay. You wanted to lock the filter. First you wanted to apply, and you wanted to hide the filter. You can hide the filter also. Done it? It is also showing you show hide. Okay, in the filter pane, the report view, or else you can do this. This line is also clear. This
Yes,
line is
sir.
also clear, and this line is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Anything else, guys?
Yes, no,
One
sir.
question, sir.
Okay. Hope you understand
Yes, sir.
how to
This
Yes,
create
sir.
these things also.
Sir,
Yes,
or
sir.
KPIs in Power BI, how to create
Yeah,
that?
the KPI, the last one, the KPI.
Yeah.
How we can create the KPIs also. Okay. So the KPI के लिए suppose I wanted to see the value according to the region. Okay, and wanted to show the sales. And I wanted to create the like the KPI. Where is the KPI?
Sir, on last third,
Like the
from the last line, third line, like last 3 lines है ना उनके अंदर second number पे ऊपर
okay,
ऊपर
like
ऊपर.
that. No, here I'm not getting the ठीक है ना KPI.
No, sir, like the last 3 lines you can see, and from here ऊपर ऊपर sir,
Yeah, ऊपर के
ऊपर
side में
वाली
I
रो में,
forget
and then
the
last
रो
ऊपर
पे.
वाली रो पे second number पे
I forget the.
ऊपर ऊपर sir. Here, yes,
This is the KPI.
yeah.
Okay, it will create the KPI, key performance indicator also. Then it the key performance के लिए you can show the call out values. Display unit 4 you can go with a none. It will show you the KPI. Okay, what is the KPI of this value? Now here it will show you the icon sizes also. The trend access, it will show you the color make good. Okay, natural may like this kind of a color. The transparency level you can remove. Why it is not showing the transparency level? Low is good. ये नहीं बन रहा. The KPI क्या ठीक है ना? The target label, the color, can be any other color like this kind of a color that you can do. The date wise is also not showing the date. We have this KPI values. It is also showing you the highest value. KPI के लिए we can do it. We can go with the target also. Target it is also the like the sales. Sales wise it is also showing with the goals. Okay, the goals it is also showing you. Change the color because मैंने target label का color जो है like trend line का color here. Not the icon का color like data like it is also showing you the values now. Value का color I will change it to be black. It is also showing you the KPI, key performance indicator, trend line में we can decrease the like the axis. This kind of a thing. Okay. That is also showing you the good color, or I will take the light color also here. Any of the light color that you can take it. This kind of a color that okay. So KPI only will show you the like the goal set and the target value will show the KPI on KPI on Power BI. Don't use the KPI visual also. KPI के लिए I will explain the indicator also. Get data में I will see the things also, guys. We'll create the KPI. Then we can show the like the goals also. So 46, okay, that it is also showing you the month wise, okay, like the trend axis and the sum of the target, the actual value and the target. So we can create the KPI. I will do it, again. First, I will select this KPI graph. In this KPI graph, according to the, okay, like the region. Here I'm also getting that like the according to the region, according to the okay, like the region, right? According to the month हम लोग लेते हैं. Month में ना I can take this month point. एक hierarchy में I can take the a month. But here I'm also getting the month wise. Okay,
Yes.
what I wanted to see, I wanted to see the
Sales.
okay, like the values, the sales that which I wanted to see according to the month, and now the target is like the according to the profit that it will show you the value. Now here I can change the fallout value and will go with the display unit. So according to the sales, it is also showing you this is the actual which I am getting the sales and the goals of the sales. ठीक है ना, अभी हम लोगों ने इतनी सेल्स कर ली है और प्रॉफिट भी मैंने इसके अंदर डाल दिया है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दी सेल्स एंड द प्रॉफिट ये यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है कि हमारी जो सेल्स हुई है वो 1,46,07,489.96 की हुई है. ओके, और हमारा गोल कितना था गाइस? हमारा गोल था 1,44,00,000, ठीक है ना, 189.82 का गोल था. तो हम लोगों ने इस ना टारगेट को अचीव कर लिया गाइस. मंथ वाइज भी हम लोगों ने सेल्स की है और मंथ वाइज सेल्स इट इज ऑल्सो शोइंग यू कि गोल का परसेंटेज क्या है. मेरा गोल का परसेंटेज है +917.75%. मैंने अपना ये टारगेट जो है वो अचीव कर लिया है. Done it, guys?
Yes, sir. So like for KPIs, we need like 3 measures.
Yeah. The 3 measures में ना that we can show the dates also.
Okay.
The December month में हम लोगों ने ये टारगेट अचीव किया.
Okay, okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, target labels को we can change it. We can give the black color also. Okay, goals वाला color, the black color, and you can increase the sizes also. See, the goal का sizes that you are getting. Okay, the distance to goal. आप इसको किस परसेंटेज में चाहते हैं, वैल्यू शो करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन शो द वैल्यूज ऑल्सो. यू वांटेड टू शो द बोथ दैट आप वैल्यूज और परसेंटेज दोनों शो करना चाहते हो. कितने की ग्रोथ आपको मिली है? 13,23,300 की ग्रोथ आपको मिली है. तो मींस अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेटा ये मेरे को बता रहा है कि इस डेटा में हमें ठीक है ना लाइक दी प्रॉफिट ही दिख रहा है, लॉसेस नहीं दिख रहा है.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Done
And
it?
sir, can you show me once the target value, what you put into the filter, like targets achieved?
Like here I have drag and drop the month wise, टारगेट में प्रॉफिट एंड वैल्यूज में सेल्स.
Okay, okay, sir.
सेल्स वाइज मेरे को प्रॉफिट मेजर करना है और प्रॉफिट से मेरे को देखना है कि इस ईयर मेरा प्रॉफिट हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, इस मंथ मेरा प्रॉफिट हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है. आप ईयर वाइज भी इसको कर सकते हो. यू कैन डू द सेम थिंग्स ऑल्सो विद द ईयर. हियर यू कैन सी द ईयर वाइज इट इज ऑल्सो शोइंग यू द प्रॉफिट्स ऑल्सो. तो देखिएगा सब एक ईयर में ना इतना नंबर ऑफ प्रॉफिट मुझे हुआ है. और 2012 में मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉफिट हुआ है. केपीआई ने मेरे को ये भी बता दिया. डन इट गाइस. डेट की वैल्यूज को भी यू कैन इंक्रीज इट. किस ईयर में हुआ है मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉफिट? 2012 में. मेजर द थिंग्स.
Got it, sir.
एनीवन एल्स गाइस?
Sir, one question.
हाँ.
Sir, KPI, I have understood. One question is there, sir, according to salary, sir. Grade the employees on the basis of salary. Suppose three employees are there. So A's salary is greater than 3 lakh and B's salary is greater than 1 lakh and C's salary is greater than 50,000. And not NA is smaller than or equal to 50,000. So we have to create a visual to get the percentage wise bifurcation of the grade. So how we have to do this?
The percentage values, na?
Yes, sir. Percentage wise bifurcation of
For
the
the
grade.
percentage values, you can go with the pie chart, and you can create the if and else wala formula, and you can put the values also into the pie chart.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sir.
If and else में you can create the formulas. Anyone else, guys?
So, I have a
हाँ
question.
जी. Yes.
Like it's a different question. So, like, what we can use more, or like it depends on the company or the individual that we have to use more of Tableau, more of Power BI. Like, what thing we can use more to more?
It's not depend upon the company. It depend upon the project.
Okay.
Like suppose we are getting the big data.
Okay.
Okay. Like suppose my client is Bajaj Finserv.
Okay.
He having the big data. Like my second client is like the Parley company.
Okay.
Parley company.
Yeah.
Parley company also have the big data. Like
Yeah.
suppose my third client is like the Sri Lakshmi Traders.
Okay.
It's have this small data or big data.
Small data.
So we can use the Power BI.
Okay. For the
Okay, it's
small
only
data
depend
we
upon the
use.
data.
Okay.
And both will give you the same interface.
Okay.
But Power BI is little bit advanced as compared to Tableau.
Okay.
Okay.
So, like, but from my any like some area, I heard that like Tableau is more used in the companies like which are well established, or we can say that the MNCs they use Tableau more, not Power BI. But the like the new established companies or the startup, they are like more focused on Power BI. So, is this true?
Yeah, is it true? We'll give you an example. In India, we are using two kind of a mobile. One is Android, second is iPhone.
Okay.
How many person prefer the iPhone?
Upper middle class, we can say that.
The person who want the quality.
Okay.
Okay, they can go with the Tableau. The big organization can afford these things. Okay.
Yeah.
The small company cannot afford the Power BI cost. Sorry, Tableau cost. Okay.
Yeah.
They can use the like the Power BI because Power BI is free of cost up to 1 GB.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
Power BI is not free for any kind of a data. Done it?
Yes.
So mostly company wanted to invest the amount into the software. Why? Because उन्हें अपना income tax भी तो paid करना पड़ता है dear. So they are paying. They are ठीक है ना, like they want some extra things. वो सारी चीजें ना अपनी इसी में शो करते हैं, बड़े बड़े सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते हैं, बिगर्स. They are investing their amounts and they want the quality. So Power BI will not give you that quality which Tableau has. Tableau have so many of the things. But Tableau क्या है? Expensive है. And startups are not ready to invest the amount.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Anyone else? Hope you understand the Power BI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Hello,
you are
sir.
expert in Power BI and Tableau.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So Vaishnavi this time. So I have a question that for how many years we can forecast the data? Means, is there any limit that the future for the prediction?
Future predictions may you can give the year. The maximum
Okay.
year is around like the 20 year.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. 20 year से ज़्यादा का
Oh,
data we cannot observe.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
The maximum and minimum you can set it according to your requirement.
Okay, sure.
Anyone else?
So,
Yes.
so like Tableau formatting is like more easy on the comparison and in the Power BI. Like it's complicated. It complicates the things in the data. Do you think so?
That we can say. But
Yeah,
Power
like
BI maybe it is also very easy.
no, sir, I
It is
found
also
Tableau easy.
it is
They
very easy. Tableau में ठीक है ना? We have the drag and drop things also and easily that we can get the
LOT
color
calculations, yeah. Some they
calculations
are
also.
very easy.
Because Power BI na it is the advanced version of Excel.
Yes, sir.
Same kind of a function we are using into the Power BI. Same kind of a function we are using into the Excel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So they have the ठीक है ना like this kind of a feature. We cannot do anything. We can use the ठीक है ना one more thing that I'm just telling you guys. To explain you. Learn the Looker Studio by yourself. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
It is free of cost and it is same like the Tableau and Power BI.
Okay.
Okay, बस आपको 5 मिनट या 10 मिनट इस पे फोकस करना है and you can create the reports also. आपको बस डेटा लोड करना है और ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना है.
In Looker Studio.
Looker Studio.
Okay.
And one more library. You are a data scientist. I'm just telling you PYGWALKER. PYG Walker. You have to learn the PYG Walker. Okay, by your own. इसमें भी ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप है. Okay. You can learn the PYG Walker. It is also visualization library in Python.
Sir, any YouTube video you can suggest for these two?
कोई भी वीडियो ले लो 2 मिनट का प्रोसेस है डियर एक छोटा सा कोड है
Okay.
आई कैन
Okay.
शो यू द कोड ओके बस एक छोटा सा कोड है 1 लाइन इन कोड ओके यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस ओके देयर इज ओनली वन थिंग दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द walker okay import the pyg walker as okay pyg and you have to write down the walker is equal that pyg dot walk very simple code I
Okay.
can show you within a minute ठीक है ना लाइक बहुत सिंपल सा कोड है और इसमें तो आपको ठीक है ना कोई भी डेटा साइंस की जरूरत है ही नहीं ये तो बहुत इजी है आई कैन शो यू
And so for business analytics also it is useful.
या इट इज ऑल्सो यूजफुल
Okay. Both the things
सभी के लिए
because
काम
okay.
करेगी
Okay.
आई कैन शो यू 1 लाइन कोड है बस इसका ज्यादा नहीं है okay import cbond as sns and ठीक है ना f is equal that sorry t कर लेता हूँ t is equal that sns dot load underscore data set में TITANIC. We have imported the data I can import pygwalker as pyg, and now here I also can use the walker is equal that. Okay, WALKER walker, कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हो, ABC नाम भी दे सकते हो, you can give the ABC also. ABC is equal that pyg dot, what we can do it, we can walk, WALK walk, and walk में we can give the T. PYG walker की spelling में ठीक है ना, there is a mistake. PYGWALKER सही तो लिखा है मैंने ना. What is it? We'll go with the graphic visualization. Import pandas PYGWALKER. मैंने क्या लिखा है? PYGWALKER as a walker. Why it is not giving the? Okay, I will go with the pip install PYGWALKER. बहुत सिंपल सी लाइब्रेरी है, यू कैन लर्न इट बाय योर ओन. ओके, आपका जो है ग्राफ इसके अंदर बन जाएगा. You can use it also. Here it is also the pip YC, ठीक है ना, upgrade also, so that you can use the PYG walker, and it is also showing you WALK walk.
So it is a tool or like a library?
Sorry,
What is it exactly?
it
Tool
is
or
a library. It is a library. Okay, you can go with that and you can pip
So just
install.
like the R Studio having the library and the packages.
Yes.
Okay,
It is
okay.
also like that, na.
Okay,
You
understood.
can see here, ठीक है ना. Why it is also not showing you the PYG walker? Okay, you can use it. It is like that, drag and drop. Are you able to see? Power BI
Yes.
का look it will give you.
Yes.
Okay, बहुत सिंपल है. आप बस यहाँ पर जाएंगे, आप यहाँ पर रीड करेंगे, आपको क्या करना है, import pyg walker as pyg and pyg dot walk. Done it. And now if you run it, click here to show the JavaScript data. पता नहीं क्यों मेरे को एरर दे रहा है ये. ओके, ये pandas का डेटा ही रीड करेगा. तो pandas का any of the data that you can read it. I will go with that, ठीक है ना, I will run it.
Only pandas, sir.
Sorry?
Only pandas data you can read.
हाँ, only pandas का data it
Okay.
can read it. So I will go with the pandas and I have the sales data. Okay, we'll go with that. And here I can use the, ठीक है ना, pyg dot wlk walk, and walk में I can give the sales data. pyg walker में ठीक है ना, there is kind of error, so we can upgrade it. बस इसको आप यूज कर लीजिएगा. कंट्रोल Z, pyg walker में we have installed it. Okay, so I will remove this one and will load the new data. Okay, that import pygwlker as pyg, and here I can use the pyg dot wlk walk. Walk I can give the sales data, and now here you can see something, there is an error. Okay, I have tried it, but ठीक है ना, I don't know why it is giving me the error. So we'll remove the error. Okay, you can learn it. आप किसी भी ठीक है ना number of website से you can learn it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the pyg walker में it will tell you one by one on. Okay, there is a head. It will show you the data. Okay guys, you can try it. बाकी मेरे वाले में तो error दे रहा है. We'll try it with the, ठीक है ना, collab also.
So like what is the use of it? Like we can create dashboard also.
Sorry.
Like we can create dashboard from this also. Like what is
Yes,
it we can use?
you can create the dashboards also.
Okay.
Okay. Learn it by your own and try the, ठीक है ना, like the create the dashboard also on the
Okay.
Python.
Okay. And for the Looker Studio, what is it exactly?
You can also create the dashboard and the reports also as like the Power BI
Okay.
and the Tableau.
Okay.
Looker is also free of cost.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
And so-
guys.
And so like what is the use for the Jira? To track
Jira,
the
it is not.
activity?
It is like it is not for, okay, like the for the data scientist. It is for the data analyst and the business analyst.
Yes, sir. Like when the interview
Jira, it is
class
also
happened, they
software.
said. Okay.
Jira, it
So
is also software.
okay. So it's just like a creating for the dashboard or tracking the activity.
Yes, that kind of a thing that you can download the Jira software also.
Okay.
Okay, Jira software. Jira, it is also software where you can create the reports and the dashboards also as like this. Done it?
Okay.
Jira may you can create this kind of things also. It work with the Scrum and Agiles also. Okay, this kind of a thing that you can create it into the Jira.
And so it
Got
can
it,
take
guys?
any kind of file, PDF, CSV, or
Yeah,
any.
you can use any kind of a file.
Okay, as well as in the Looker Studio also.
Yeah, Looker Studio also.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Hope you
सर
like the sessions. Yes, बताइए.
सर इसके अलावा आप कुछ और सेशंस लेते हैं क्या सर? टाइम सीरीज, डिप्लॉयमेंट वगैरह?
हाँ, सारे सेशंस मैं ही लेता हूँ डियर.
नहीं
सर
हमारा लोग
मतलब हम लोग एक बार यू नो वील पुट अप विद द एडमिन टीम की आप चाहिए फ्यूचर सेशंस के लिए करके.
for the next
हाँ,
module.
ठीक है. You can.
ओके. और सर असाइनमेंट्स कुछ है तो पोस्ट
हाँ,
कीजिए.
assignments के लिए I can give you one more data to you.
And so
Okay.
one more thing, you can give a Tableau interview question.
Sorry.
Tableau interview questions.
Tableau का भी same that you will get the K21 Academy पर.
Okay.
Okay. This data, it is okay, like the kind of big data, it's have the 10 lakh rows. Okay, I'm just sharing you the road accident data and you can create the reports. ठीक है ना? Use your own mind and create the reports. किस तरीके की report that you can create it. Done it? It's have the 10 lakh of the rows. You can see. Okay. 30 lakh, sorry. 3 lakh it's have. दूसरे वाला था वो row data. Okay. The
Okay,
3
sir.
lakh rows that it have. So it is also a big data. तो मैं ये आप लोगों के साथ share कर रहा हूँ. And you can create the, okay, like the reports also on that. A road accident.
So sir, we can create this dashboard in Tableau.
Yeah, into the Tableau also and the Power BI also.
Okay. And so one more thing I want to ask, like if we create this dashboard and the reports onto Power BI and the Power Tableau, okay? So like, sir, they said that make it into your resume. So like how we can add it into the CV or the resume?
You can like the create the like the dashboard and the reports also and make it like the PDF file and we'll upload on the Google Drive and give the link or GitHub ka link that you can give it or Kaggle ka link that you can give it and you can show that you did the ठीक है ना, the sales analysis with the MP sales data, the accident analysis on the road accident data and you can show the key factors क्या क्या आपने इसमें यूज किया है.
Okay.
आपने
And
मिनिमम
sir,
भी यूज किया, मैक्सिमम भी यूज किया, एवरेज भी यूज किया इसके अंदर, इफ भी यूज किया है आपने, केपीआई भी यूज किया इसके अंदर, फ्यूचर ट्रेंडिंग्स आपने यूज किया इसके अंदर, क्या क्या चीजें यूज की है वो सब चीजें एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए इसमें.
okay.
ओके.
And so like what the cross question on the projects?
प्रोजेक्ट पर बेसिकली आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि आपने ये कैसे यूज किया है, लाइक इसका फैक्टर क्या है, केपीआई क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं आपने, ठीक है ना, फोरकास्टिंग क्यों यूज की है, फोरकास्टिंग से मुझे क्या मिल रहा है, तो बेसिक थिंग्स। ओके,
Hello, sir. Can I
यस,
ask you one thing?
या वन
Sir,
क्वेश्चन।
I wasn't able to join the WhatsApp group that day. So, kindly, can you share the link?
Which link?
WhatsApp group link, sir.
I don't have the WhatsApp group link. Who
Jia,
have?
Jia
Sir,
shared.
Yeah, share the group link.
Thank you so much, sir.
Anyone else who have the link? Aditi have? Dipti
sir,
have?
let me check.
Okay. Share the, ठीक है ना, like the link, and I will share into the chat. Okay, guys. Hope you like the sessions. कैसा लगा आप लोगों को sessions?
Wonderful, wonderful, sir. Wonderful.
It
Okay,
was
that was
really
the
good,
last.
sir.
Okay, that was the last sessions. तो ठीक है ना, hope in future हम लोग मिल पाए.
सर आप टाइम सीरीज लेते हैं ना, टाइम सीरीज एंड डिप्लॉयमेंट?
हाँ, मैं लेता हूँ, ये सब
हाँ
चीजें
तो
लेता
ठीक है
हूँ.
सर, हम लोग ट्यूसडे फिर से मिलेंगे, टचवुड।
अभी नहीं मिल रहे, अभी नहीं मिल रहे. मैं टिल वेडनेसडे तक ना, आई एम ऑन लीव.
सर
तो आगे
ट्यूसडे,
भी ना.
सर ट्यूसडे इज वर्किंग राइट?
No, Tuesday is not working for me.
अच्छा तो ये 2 दिन का लीव आप वहां पे एक दिन में कवर कर दिए।
हाँ जी.
आपको अभी 2 दिन मिल रहा था ना एक्चुअली,
हाँ.
मगर बहुत प्रेशर करना पड़ा सर ये 2 सेशंस के लिए, बट
हाँ.
इट वाज रियली फ्रूटफुल।
हम्म.
तो चलो अभी टाइम सीरीज के लिए भी उतना ही जोर लगाएंगे, दैट वी वांट विकास सर।
चलो ठीक है गाइस, विल टेक इट.
Hello, sir. Can
यस,
I ask you one thing more?
यस यू कैन.
मैं पूछना चाह रही थी कि अभी जो एमएनसीज है तो वो कौन सी सबसे अभी जो हायरिंग एक्टिव है ना वो डेटा साइंस के लिए जो अच्छे हैं जॉब रोल के लिए?
डेटा साइंस के लिए हायरिंग चल रही है सबसे ज्यादा, डेटा एनालिस्ट के लिए हायरिंग चल रही है डियर.
ओके सर। तो
ओके,
इंडिया में ऐसे कौन सी है सर जो
सॉरी.
अच्छी कंपनीज है? इंडिया में
देखो,
ऐसे कौन सी कंपनीज है
आई
जो
कैन
हम
आई
लोग
कैन शो
अप्लाई
यू
कर
दी,
सकते
ठीक है ना, लाइक दी आज का ही मैं आपको सिनेरियो बताता हूँ. अभी मेरी एक स्टूडेंट है, उसको आज ही इंटर्नशिप मिली है. वैसे मेरे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हैं जिनको इंटर्नशिप मिल चुकी है.
हैं?
ओके,
ओके
अभी
सर।
उसने मुझे थोड़ी देर पहले ही मेरे को स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा है. एंड अगेन शी इज ऑल्सो, ठीक है ना, आस्किंग मी द क्वेश्चन, सर लाइक मैं ज्वाइन करूं या ना करूं. अभी तक मैंने उसको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन भी नहीं लिखा है, अब लिखा है मैंने उसको आपके सामने. देखो, वेट फॉर अ मिनट गाइस, you know, profile pictures also that we can hide it. And now it is not showing the pictures also. They're updating the things also. Now see, ये मेरी स्टूडेंट है, she is also, ठीक है ना, having the offer. she अभी का है, आज ही का है ये, और उसने मुझे थोड़ी देर पहले ही भेजा है, लाइक दी 6:30 पर. एंड डेटा एनालिस्ट का उसको जॉब मिल गई है, 23 अगस्त से इसकी ज्वाइनिंग स्टार्ट है. तो आप डेटा एनालिस्ट के लिए ट्राई करें, यू विल गेट द जॉब.
And so for business analytics,
बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स के लिए भी यू कैन ट्राई इट. बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स में भी जॉब्स हैं, एंड डेटा एनालिटिक्स में भी, बट डेटा साइंस में कम है.
yeah,
Hmm.
like
So can you
what
please recommend the companies that hiring freshers means,
अभी तो
with
फिलहाल ठीक है ना,
zero?
वी डोंट हैव द कंपनी, बट हाँ लेटर ऑन इफ आई
Okay,
गेट, तो विल शेयर इट. ठीक है
okay,
ना, विल
sure.
शेयर विद द सिमरन.
so it's a great help if you can share.
ओके, विल शेयर इट, ठीक है ना, इनटू योर ड्राइव.
Okay, sir.
ओके,
Okay, sir.
इफ आई
So
गेट एनी रेफरेंस.
can you share the drive link also?
ड्राइव लिंक आप लोगों के पास में होगा ना. यू डोंट हैव द
Yes,
ड्राइव लिंक.
like the first class which you gave,
सॉरी,
like
विच वन.
the first class in the first class you shared.
ओके, विल चेक इट. सिमरन का नंबर है किसी के पास में? एनीबडी हैव द सिमरन्स नंबर?
Yes, sir.
विल चेक इट. सिमरन का नंबर होगा ना. सिमरन से आज डे में मेरी बात हुई थी, ये रहा सिमरन का, है ना, ये वाला. This is the drive link which I have, and we'll share it again into the Zoom chat. Okay, guys, check कर लीजिएगा. You will get the thing. Done it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you on LinkedIn? Miss, can I follow you on LinkedIn? May I know your
Sorry?
profile, sir? Are you on LinkedIn? Miss, I want to connect with you. So, what's your
You can
LinkedIn
search it by
profile,
the
sir?
name of Vikas Kumar.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you
you so much.
so much, sir.
Okay. Give your feedbacks also to Vaishnavi, or
Sure.
ठीक है ना, to your counselor also.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure.
Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Welcome, guys. Okay.
Bye, sir. Good night.
Okay. Good night, guys.
Enjoy your weekend.
Okay. Thank you, guys.